AKASO Trace 1 dual dash cam supports single recording, front camera, 1080p 60 frames per second, and dual recording, front and rear camera, 1080p 30 frames per second. Adopts dual SONY STARVIS for front and rear camera. Also plus 4 pieces infrared LEDs for rear camera to get super clear night vision. Loop recording makes it to record all the time. Don't need to change a new card. Built-in G sensor for locking the video. When an emergency brake or a collision occurs, dual camera viewing with 340 degrees to cover inside and outside of car. Reduce blind spots, more safety. It has a 24 hours parking monitor to make your car more safe during parking. If the car is hit, it will record automatically and lock the video.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.